When a student completes the program, what careers are available to them?
Put simply, manufacturing is the process of producing goods from raw materials with manual and machine-assisted techniques. That means that our advanced manufacturing and fabrication students acquire a wide variety of skills that can be applied in many different jobs. Our graduates will be prepared to work as metal fabricators, assemblers, cutters, and CNC tool operators and programmers. These sorts of positions are popping all over the gorge in tech fields like aerospace, and support even where welders and operators keep running the tools of industry.
What knowledge and skills will a student learn in your program?
Students will acquire the knowledge and skills to manufacture products from conception into reality. Specifically, students will learn a variety of welding techniques, how to work with different metals, how to read blueprints, cut parts, and assemble them to make a product. Students will also build related professional skills such as critical thinking and problem solving, quantitative literacy, as well as communication.
What will students enjoy most about learning in your program?
This is going to be a fun, interactive, and hands-on program in a brand new state-of-the-art building here in the Dalles. Me personally, I love to fabricate parts for my own cars and to race my own car. Oftentimes I go off-road with parts that I design and built from scratch. And to see an idea take form on the computer, be cut to the near thousandth of an inch, and then be assembled into a functional piece of art that you get to interact with on a daily basis. It's one of the most challenging and rewarding things that you can do if you're a hands-on learner like me.
How long will it take to complete your program?
Students can complete the Manufacturing Technology Certificate in less than a year and the Advanced Manufacturing Certificate in just one full school year. A second year of the program is forthcoming.
Why are you passionate about teaching in your subject area?
I'm passionate about giving people the skills to pursue what they love, whether that's through skills that they learn here at CGCC or in the ability to better their career and give them more financial freedom to pursue their own interests. I also love the blended art form skill set that welding is, and that almost anyone can master it and produce amazing products, art, or even repair their own things and keeping them working. Mostly, I love to work with my hands and I love creating. I'm lucky to teach what I love and share that creation process with others in a collaborative space like we've built here.